The iF4R is a powerful compact floodlight capable of lighting up areas in excess of 25 metres. If you need more, the iF8R is your go-to floodlight, which can cover an incredible 50 metres with clear, even light distribution. They both have built-in magnet handles on the base to give endless options for lighting at any angle. Designed and built to last, they provide optimum performance, making an indispensable light in the workplace. With an integrated power bank, they can also power your mobile phone, so you don't get left on your own. The iF8R is also Bluetooth enabled to operate the light remotely from your mobile phone.